Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be covering the VLOOKUP function. Let's understand this with the help of an example. As you can see, we have a table which contains the names of the different students and their total score in semester 1. We also have their pass criteria. In this cell here, we will apply the VLOOKUP function to find out the total score of student 1. Based on the criteria here, the score will be displayed in this cell. So let's get started. Just to let you know, VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. So it will do the lookup vertically along the rows. Let's have a look. Equals to VLOOKUP, and this is the tip here. Looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in an ascending order. So as the guideline says, the lookup starts from the leftmost column. It does the lookup from left to right. Let's hit the tab button and we get the formula guide here. The first part says lookup value, the value that we want to look up in the given table array. We want to look up student 1, so I select this, comma. Now it says table array. Table array is the entire table from where the value needs to be returned. Let's select this table here because this entire range contains my student name as well as the total score that I'm looking for, comma. The column index. This is the number of the column from where the lookup criteria start. Suppose my lookup criteria is in the first column, which is student 1. In that case, the total score is in the third column. So here the column number is 3, comma. So we get two options here in the range lookup, which is true, which means the approximate match, and false, which is an exact match. We want an exact match because we want the exact score which student 1 has scored. So I'll select false, hit tab, close bracket, enter. So I'm getting his score. Student 1 is getting 426. If I make this as student 2, I get his score, which is 363. Here in this cell, I can have a small drop down from where I select the name of the student and his corresponding score is displayed here. I select this cell here, click on data, go to data validation, click on list, select on this arrow and select your entire names of student. Click on OK. You see a small down arrow appears here. It means my drop down is created. Now if I click on this, I get to see my list of students and I select from the drop down. Their corresponding scores are displayed in this cell. This makes your life really easy. This was all about VLOOKUP. We'll catch you all in another video with another topic. If you have any topic that you want me to cover, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys.